I did my project on Isaac Newton and his inventions. Isaac Newton did lots of amazing things. Not just an average person, but a great inventor. First, Isaac Newton was born in 1643 in Wolfsburg, England. Newton was raised by his grandmother. Newton was not the one to excel in school, though he did get accepted to Trinity College, which was where he wanted to go. He graduated with a bachelor's degree in 1665. Newton then decided to pursue his own ideas on math, physics, optics, and astronomy. Our understanding of light and color was clarified by Isaac Newton and the many experiments that he had done and published about light. He was the first one to understand the rainbow theory. Before Newton, people thought light was just made up of light and darkness. But Newton discovered that light was actually made up of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. This was discovered by shining light through a glass prism, which then broke the light into its separate colors. The circle diagram became the model for many color systems of the 18th and 19th centuries. The color prism, or makeup of light, continues to be used in science today to teach people about light. Isaac Newton also developed laws of motion in science and used 3 laws to explain the way objects move. They are called Newton's laws. The first law says that an object that is not being pushed or pulled by some force will stay still or will keep moving in a straight line at a steady speed. The second law explains how a force acts on an object. An object accelerates in the direction the force is moving it. Lastly, the third law says that if an object is pushed or pulled, it will push or pull equally in the opposite direction. These laws continue to be used within the science world today for many types of scientific problems. Another area of science where people think about Isaac Newton and the impact he has on science is the familiar image of him sitting under an apple tree while watching an apple fall to the ground. When he saw the apple fall, he thought about a specific kind of motion, which is called gravity. Newton understood that gravity was the force of attraction between 2 objects. He also said that an object with more matter or mass made for a larger force, or pulled smaller objects toward it. This meant that the large mass of the earth pulled objects toward it. So that's why the apple from the tree fell to the ground, rather than up to the sky. Isaac Newton's calculations changed the way people understood the universe, and continue to be used today within the science world. Isaac Newton was one of the most important mathematicians, scientists, and astronomers of the 1600s. His knowledge and learnings set the foundation of science and discovery for generations of future mathematicians, scientists, and astronomers to continue his work and understanding of the science world. His work is still used today as the foundation of current research and discovery.